Hey guys, this is Ujjwal Kumar Sen and you're watching Ujjwal Kumar Sen English YouTube channel. So guys, there are few students ask me this question that how I can able to become software engineer after 10th. So in this video, I will share with you that way. So my dear, there are two ways to become software engineer, right, after 10th. Even I will share with you salary after both the ways, because both the ways having different path. That means the salary will be different, right? And of course, what you should do, that's why you can get maximum salary. That is maximum salary of this year. We got maximum salary. That is how much? Let me share with you that 1.54 crore. That is for international package. Means the person who got this much package will go to USA, right? For because that company offered 1.54 package in a year, right? So that person will go to USA and work over there. Now if you're talking about, this is international, right? If you're talking about domestic package, my dear, dome package, right, it's 60 lakhs, around 60 lakhs per annum, right? That person will work in India, will get 60 lakhs package, right? And that's really awesome. This is the highest package so far, and this in 2020. All right, as I'm creating this video, right? Now guys, so let me share with you after 10th how you can become software engineer, right? So 10th, right? Okay, after 10th, my dear, you have to do what? Diploma, right? You need to do diploma, my dear. It is of 3 years, right? And for getting admission in diploma good college, I must say that you have to write examination, right? Every state having different examination, and there is no central examination like we have for BTech admission, right? So you have to write those examination according to the state you belong to, and then you can get admission in good college. So how to choose good college, my dear? Okay, let me share with that thing, my dear. Okay, if you want to become software engineer, you have to get admission in CSC, diploma in CSC, computer science and engineering. That is the most preferred branch if you want to become software engineer, right? Now guys, there are 3 ways to choose good college, right? Whether it is government college, you can go for it, no problem at all in that. First. Second, my dear, it is a complimentary one, the bonus tips. So first, what if you're talking about private college, my dear, then which one is good? Let me share with that. So private college, first one is what, my dear? That is what, when the college is established, right? First. Second, how many students are studying in second year of CSC branch, in which branch you will get admission. And third, my dear, number of students getting job placement in your branch in computer science, right? And maximum package, average package, as well as, my dear, minimum package. Although, my dear, this is the truth, after diploma you cannot become good software engineer, because almost every company is preferred BTech students for their for working as a software developer in their company, right? So my dear, diploma is over 3 years. Then, my dear, you have to go for LEET examination. Here is the problem, my dear. After diploma you cannot get admission in BTech, right, in top colleges in India, like, my dear, IITs, right, and NITs. All right, because the package I'm talking about here, a student got highest package in India, those it belongs to IITs and NITs only, maximum number of times. What I have seen, what I have been doing analysis from last 10-12 years, I'm sharing with you. All right, now, so you have to write the examination of LEET, and you have to get admission, my dear, any government college or any state level top college, right? And again, the process to find out to choose good college is like this only. But in general, my dear, package is not that much good, but for computer science students is better as compared to other branches. This is the truth. So package you are going to get, my dear, from this average package would be maximum to maximum 3 lakhs per annum, right? Average package I'm talking about in general, what I have seen with number of colleges in India, right? Hundreds of colleges. So this is one of the way to become software engineer after 10th. So this is, I don't recommend this way to become software engineer, because you are not going to get good salary, even good opportunity, at least at the beginning of the time, right? Whenever you start the session or whenever you start your journey. So what you should do, instead of doing diploma after 10th in CSC, I will tell you the way so that you can get maximum package. I hope so you are ready. If you are ready, my dear, write down in the comment box ready. I will share with you that also, right? So Let's go for it now. Here you go. So what you do, my dear, first you have to take admission in 12th class science. This is the way to become good software engineer, and you can get, my dear, maximum package, right? Maximum package means average package 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs. This is in general 10 lakhs. That means every month around 1 lakh starting package. After 5 years, that is depend on you how much package you will get, but average will get at least around 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs per month after 5 years if you start from 1 lakh, right? So that is the biggest advantage of this way what I am sharing with you right now. So do, my dear, 12th class with science, mathematics should be there. Okay, try to get, my dear, at least 85 to above 85%, right? That is enough. Okay, second matter, what you should do, whenever you got admission in 11th class, my dear, right, start preparation for JEE mains, right? For that, do not, I am repeating, do not go for online coaching, whether it is free or free you can refer, for few videos you can refer, but you cannot completely depend on online coaching, because that is not possible, because I have been teaching online from last 4 years. What I am saying, I am telling you, right? Okay, for getting help in any topic you can go for it, but completely depend on online is not going to work, what I am seeing these days. Okay, so you must go for offline coaching, my dear. You have to go for offline coaching if you want good output, otherwise it is on you. Don't go for online, go for offline always, right? So prepare for JEE mains, my dear, and whenever you are going to 12th class, my dear, right, in that case what you do, mains plus advance, prepare for that, right? Advance, prepare for that. Okay, so now, my dear, this is not that much simple, that much easy, I must say that. Simple, it is simple but not easy. If you follow, my dear, proper guidelines from your offline coaching mentors or wherever you are studying, my dear, I am pretty sure you can at least do something, because you are planning, my dear, from now. From 10th class you are planning, right? So that is why you are having advantage, that you are planning about your future. That is the biggest thing. If you want to do something in your life, you have to plan first, then you have to go for it. And what I am telling you is a proper planning I am telling you right now. Alright, so if you follow this proper path, my dear, you can definitely achieve something in your life, because you are following a path to achieve something. Alright, because you know the direction, in which direction I have to go, right? So now, I mean just compare with two person. One person don't know what to do, one person know what to do. So one person is following the path, one person don't know what to do. So who will get success quickly, my dear? Who is following the path to get success, right? And I am telling you the proven path. So, my dear, after this, my dear, after mains, after getting good rank in mains, you can able to get admission in NIT. So for NIT, the top NIT is what? NIT Tirchi. And after getting good rank in advance, you can get admission in IIT. Top IIT this year, IIT Madras. In IIT, package is more than, top IIT is more than 12 lakhs per annum. It's an average package I'm talking about. Maximum package I have shared with you already, right? And top NITs, again, my dear, maximum package is awesome. Average package, NIT Tirchi, computer science department, 100% placement is there. 100% placement is the computer science department, right? For BTech students, and package average not less than 10 lakhs, I think so, right? So, my dear, this is the way to become software engineer in India. Now, very important thing, my dear, if you will do, my dear, BTech in CSC, right? CSC, my dear, all right? In that case, I will recommend you few things. My dear, few things. What if you will get admission in top college, you will get proper guidance, proper platform to put effort. That is why I always recommend people to go for it. And after MBA, my dear, after BTech, my dear, you can go for MBA or MS. You can go outside India and you can do there. The package is super awesome, right? So now one more thing. If you are interested in business, then this is the best branch in the world right now. Because my almost 70% business is depend on computer science and engineering. That's why I like this branch, and this branch is long. It is a long way to go with this branch, because it's just starting, I think so. After 30-40 years, you will see the time has changed, that everything is computer science, right? Even computer science has been entered everywhere, in mechanical, in electrical, in electronics, in medical field, almost everywhere, right? So we have to be with it. So this is a correct choice for you. I must say that you want to become software engineer, so you can go for this branch. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can try to if you are having any question in mind, you can ask me below in the comment section. If you want to attend my live session, my dear, you can follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in the comment box. You can follow me there. I will in the first comment I will share that link. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon for getting notification of my next video. Thank you very much. And if you want, my dear, any kind of suggestion, again you can follow me on Instagram. I have shared the link in the first comment as well as in the description. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon. God bless you all.